Determine the length of the chord of the circle given by this particular expression. Let us begin. So here we have a circle. The equation of the circle is provided to us, and we have a line, let's say, which intersects the circle at 2 points. Then immediately we can say that AB is going to become the chord to the circle, which is centered at C. Our goal will be to determine the length of the chord. So how shall we find out the length of the chord? All we have to do is find out the coordinates of the point A and B, and then we can use the distance formula to find out the length AB. To do that, we'll start with the equation of the circle. So here we are given, we'll start with the equation of the line first. So here we are given 4x minus 3y equals to 5. Now we can rewrite it as 3y equals to 4x minus 5. So y becomes equals to 4/3 of x minus 5/3. That does be equation number 1. Now what we'll do, we'll substitute the value of y with 4/3 of x minus 5/3 into the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle that's given to us, we have x squared plus y squared plus 3x minus y minus 10 equals to 0. We have x squared plus y squared, but in place of y, we'll replace with 4/3 of x minus 5/3 whole squared plus 3x minus y will become 4/3 of x plus 5/3 minus 10 equals to 0. Now when we simplify this, we're going to get a quadratic equation. X squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0. And if we factorize it, we get x plus 1 times x minus 2 equals to 0. So we get two values of x will be equals to -1 and +2. Now that we have the values of x, we can also find out the value of y, the corresponding y value, using equation number 1. So let's do that. So from equation number 1, when x is -1, then the y value will be 4/3 times -1 minus 5/3, which means we are going to get -3. And when x is +2, then the y value will be equals to, we have 4/3 times 2 minus 5/3, so that will give us +1. Now that means we can say that, let's say this is the coordinate point A having the coordinates, when x is -1, y will be -3. And then we have the coordinates of the other point. So when x equals to 2, then y will be 1. So now that we have the coordinates of point A and B, we can use the distance formula to find out the length of the chord AB. So first we'll take the difference of the x coordinate. So that's -1 minus 2 whole squared. Added to, now we'll take the difference of the y coordinate. So that's -3 minus 1 whole squared. This will be equals to the square root of -1, -2. So that's -3. Square root of -3 will be +9. Added to -3 minus 1. So that's -4. Squaring it gives us +16, which is nothing but square root of 25, or we can say 5 units. So that means the length of the chord AB, so this is going to be of 5 units.